So the materials needed in order to properly wash your hands is obviously a sink, some soap, paper towels, and if you want, a watch or a clock. So when you approach the sink, it is okay to turn on the faucet with your unclean hands, since the faucet is known to be the dirtiest object in the restroom. So what you first want to do is turn on the water, preferably warm, but you can adjust it to your own comfort. Once you do that, you wet your hands and your wrists, and you apply soap. You want to make sure that you rub all the surfaces of your hands, including the back, the front, in between your fingers, and even your wrists. You want to go ahead and make sure that you circle the wrists. Friction is the key to removing pathogens off of your hands, so you want to make sure that you vigorously rub for at least 20 seconds. You want to make sure that you clean your fingers just like this. And once you've vigorously rubbed your hands, you want to make sure that you clean your cuticles. So starting from the cuticle, you want to go ahead and rub all the way to the end of the nail, and you want to repeat that for each finger. The most vital thing to washing your hands is making sure that your undernails are clean. So you want to go ahead and rub your undernails on your palm to remove debris in circles. Alright, once you have rubbed for 20 seconds, cleaned all surfaces of your hands, including your cuticles, your nails, and even your undernail, even your wrists, you want to make sure and go ahead, you want to make sure you rinse off the soap with your hands pointing downwards so that your hands don't touch any dirty part of the sink. You want to avoid touching dirty parts of the sink. So you want to make sure you point downwards. Once you're done, you make sure all the droplets stay in the sink and grab some clean paper towels to dry your hands. You want to make sure that you dry all surfaces of the skin, the front, the back, in between the fingers, and even the wrists, avoiding touching unclean parts of your lower arms. And once you've done that, you want to go ahead and throw the towel in the trash. Then you want to go ahead and grab a clean, dry paper towel to turn off the faucet. And you want to make sure it's a clean paper towel because wet paper towels could rip through and recontaminate your hands.